Hello dears, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are safe and happy at home. Have you all gone through previous day's topic? We started a new lesson. What is the name of our lesson? Yes, how plants make food. How plants make food? What is that process called as? Yes, photosynthesis. The process by which plants prepare food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. The food prepared by the plant is in the form of a sugar. Leaves change water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar using the energy from the sunlight. Only a part of this food prepared is used up by the plant for their growth, making flowers, fruits and seeds, and also for repairing damage. The rest of the food is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant. So sunlight and chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Without sunlight and chlorophyll, plants cannot prepare food. Hope you all have studied up to this much. Today, let's watch an experiment to show that light is essential for photosynthesis and also to show that starch is present in the leaves. Let's watch the experiment now.
To demonstrate that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Requirements: potted plant, petri dish, boiling tube, alcohol 70%, iodine solution, Bunsen burner, forceps, beaker, water, dropper, black paper. Procedure: take a healthy potted plant and place it in dark for about 72 hours so that the leaves become free from starch. After 72 hours, select a leaf on the plant and cover a portion of it on both sides with black paper. Keep the potted plant with the covered leaf in sunlight for a few hours. After a few hours, detach the covered leaf from the plant and remove the black papers. Boil the leaf in water for a few minutes. Now boil the leaf in alcohol in a water bath till it becomes dull white due to the removal of chlorophyll. Wash the leaf with water and add iodine solution. Observation: the portion of leaf which was covered does not change color, whereas the portion which was uncovered turns blue-black. Inference and conclusion: the portion of leaf which was not covered received all the factors necessary for photosynthesis. Therefore, that part could only photosynthesize, whereas the one which was covered could not manufacture food. The presence of starch gave the positive test with iodine, that is, turned to blue-black color. Photosynthesis is the process of manufacturing of food by the green parts of the plant, especially the leaves, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, with the help of carbon dioxide and water.
Hope you all have understood the experiment. In this experiment, we saw that the uncovered part of the leaf turns blue-black in color and the covered part does not change color. You know, starch turns blue-black in color when iodine is added to it. So the uncovered part of the plant contains starch and hence it changes blue-black in color. The covered part, as it did not receive any sunlight, did not produce starch and so it does not change color. This shows the presence of starch in leaves and also it shows that light is essential for photosynthesis. Hope you all have understood. Now let's watch another experiment to show that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis.
To show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: Coleus plant, watch glass, test tube, 2 beakers with water, iodine solution, alcohol, white paper, Bunsen burner, forceps, tripod stand with wire gauge, and dropper. Process: pluck a coleus leaf from plant. Coleus leaf contains both green and non-green areas. Transfer the leaf on a white sheet of paper and draw its outline. Mark the green and non-green areas carefully on it. Now boil this leaf in water to kill it. After boiling in water, again boil it in alcohol. The purpose of boiling leaf in alcohol is that it dissolves greenish part, that is chlorophyll. Then wash the leaf in cold water and place it in a watch glass. Now pour some drops of iodine solution over it. Compare the leaf with the drawing you had made. Observation: only those areas of the leaf become blue which were marked as green. Conclusion: this shows that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis.
Hope you all have understood the experiment. Here, a leaf with green and white parts are taken for the experiment. At the end of the experiment, it is noticed that only the part of the leaf that were green turns blue-black in color. So this shows that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Read textbook page number 63 and 64. From notebook, study question number 1, 2, 3, 4 from answer the following. So let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.